aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winna no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winna no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu.
Right, yema busi afakwa ba famra Sinopi on Kumawood television ene eda yawata mene okasei na yese ibubunda no a ene be abaduru ya no na yabo idie yenka se aka 11 days to the December 7th General elections. The competition, of course, say enye nyankopon na be nsachiraye bi na yebetumi esi obere bi nsi dade a it is between John Dramani Mahama and Nana Addankwa Akufo-Addo, the NDC and the NPP. Although other minor parties are also contesting, but as I said, say nyankopon na ebia nsachirani anu ebro so betumi ayama na bro so dia, and one of these parties will definitely win December 7th elections. If you na yet in command during or my Ghana on Saturday a door some no can say chief of staff Mame Freeman Opare or Asante Mantemu or to ene come yamia be say the nice kwaso ka no can say no okopimu e wo Asante Bekwai na one Bekwai for so no akotwa so ni na no eye entwabo the president of the republic central region ene or share na probo for so ase His Excellency the former president John Dramani Mahama, leader of the NDC, also Ugusua, one Professor Jane Nano Pukwa, and so Ebo Entwa. In TNA, it is all about campaigning to win power again come December 7th. And all, I won't go now yet to me, Eddie. Now, in the Abeto, University of Ghana, a researcher, a political science department, at the Abeto, so Sabino Moya, Bibiano, XS, Ghana for. At the NPP manifesto no atumupa e dey asin NDC sanso e na Benefsen e poster Benefsen e dey atuja say afi abato no the NPP e betumi e di enkonim with over 52.6%. na owie no e na ode contribute bitato say NPP be di enkonim there, but Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia enya dey 2024 omo NPP for be mano akobio NPP for papa asema wade etwato no enya agreminyamre na yadi ehon enkomo ewo fidiem hase ada Akufo-Addo so e de atodwa se edan ya wose osi e de Nyankopon abansoro National Cathedral no kwan bia so obesi e de ase twediampon no bo so bo asase enimonyam ehon komo enso ewo efia ha sanso e na enei ayade se over 17,000 electorate omo security agencies ebi mu a journalist and electoral commission officers and nyame aduma December 1st na me ka kire o say yen ebi de ko to aba no December 1st na ya kire de also be mampani na ye ko to wi a on the 7th na odo da ka ho ama no etimi adi mu isi ade abas bibia no okay ebetimi aboma abato no ebi abetimi akoso na sofu bi oga so for mo Ghana in fact we tu nyame ba ko panu an wenso so for no so nyame ba ko panu an no nyame ba ko no bie kwaku ani a na waka chen se Akufo-Addo be wini no bie ye wani na waka chen se Mahama be wini aye hu pa na nyame no ho dia hin sana sango fu am so mo no sofu baduko bi enso di aba o say Akufo-Addo ye 110 president Mahama will win the elections. Let's wait and see what happens December 7th. Now we the true men of God after December 7th. No, somebody Dawson. Now, any one omo ewo voter regime to 29 before no, and now omo kasa omo say when you come to voter region said they are positive for na soldier for don't be voter region no e ya do so do nyo nkwa ne to aba nti be ya national security ura kanda pa ne nkofo omo hwe na omo to enema yi ebenyamre na yedi ho enkomo ewufia me dey Michael Nana Admaku. We are live on Kumawood TV, also live on Facebook Kumawood TV or like you know share for us on your share and so and also live on YouTube Kumawood TV and then ebenyamre na yedi nkomo na me mpanifo na me no be djuma no e drosso pa me wo owura James Opoku Mensa eye atwoma kwanwoma constituency independent candidate I would them me no be din komo so na honorable Daniel Ochem Abwaji eye Bantama constituency member of parliament ofata enei ofata wo show no so me ne independent candidate ya ene no ebedi enkomo na afi so yenu anu mo a omo ye NPP fo a omo ewa mono ne Germany na afi so China executives of the NPP branches diaspora you know most of you have been amre na yedin come so solid 2 hours is about campaign, it's about politics, and it's about what you need to know before you go to the polls December 7th. You try homra sema yeba ura James Opoku Mensa ewa you shall see na yediko adentre 0206 8864 888464 what the bible nyamre na yaken kan ede aba yeba sisi ya.
Where the party day today? Hey mama, hey I ever say.
Okay, everybody need or say TIME Time Heba. I will so season 2 audition no. Assign a baby put your band. Not say what the 18 years aircraft who qualify say I will so audition over to the ababy. The here say what to see now be shaky, no what twerky, no one was so now you fair and no kwa any here. So your band not over to my way now. And for what the trade baby for the trade Ahojo this week Time Heba Awusu season 2 audition no baso ewo Ahojo Atinga Junction Kumasi baby Kumawood TV wana Awos pub ho pepe Time Heba Awusu season 2 no yedi audition no eba Saturday ebe ya baso live yenyina yenhia mu ho na ampaya ebeja jomade achede mebre wom jomade kan no yede ne ko Dubai empo sa wo pe Dubai no na sa wo pese ye ne sika de mawa ne katika ne na bom ne dia maw na se dia do ba na na dia ye so de beto car na dia to so de besi fio so de ba ya jubo so de ba ya bia na dia ye dia beto so mie no ye man 5,000 Ghana cedis and dia beto so mie sa no ono so ye man 3,000 Ghana cedis and achede mebre and man on na pepe 4 p.m. na contestants nyina are ready. Wey aye TIME Time Heba Awusu season 2. For number na that screen is no. Ne pray is here 0243 174870 0243 174870. Or say the time Awusu no idea to say shake your waist. Time Heba Awusu shake your waist. Awusu season 2. Ebeye butu. Sponsored by TIME Time Heba.
Where the party day today? Hey mama, hey I ever say.
Right, I was saying some about Emperor Sinopi on Kumawood TV. You could so if didn't come up. I didn't tell bra. They nyamre and can kind exclusively and many 3 groups of people and they nyamre and didn't come. Beyond so no emodu. Say where you machine free her. James Opoku Mensa, a independent candidate at the man for at the man Atuma Kwangoma constituency. UBP rather. UBP.
United Progressive Party.
Someone presidential and
independent.
By way United Progressive Party. Udikedia.
Udikedia.
Okay. Obani Akwawa.
Amedia.
Bakodia.
Onyame.
ase akomu ye pa amode wo
yegusu yamenti
na odike ne ho ye
ne ho ye
the last time oba na me busa abeboa oba be campaign bi ama original chairman Crosby mo omo ba ho de
omo de okay Crosby de oba many things I also de bia na bet odike de nya
ko president kan
say
ma so ka de eti wono
disqualify na jama
so ko kwa mo pieces na
sir disqualify jama ene national chairman na jise bibia
oh okay na mo na so dikka
nyante ni sa
o nyante mate se na mo ka mo party le se ya se e ko mi ro
say you friend people man gasa
I say mo am party na ka say mo sa because I've heard mo national chairman no say mo dikka mo support am another one kufa
okay ina me
na o dikka so nam right atuma o mate se
oh atuma ko ma de ho kire wo pa
ho kire wo ho
de je dikka na de meka na se de otumfo nyakopon ase se wa boy ho ban na amasa na obehia asumdwe na boni bia nkan na me microphone so no boni bia nyanka ho de afide to so bia me chia otikoko so na me chia tifu nyina na afi me sa chia atuma kwa amafo ese na me emu bia ho ban ene muslim me ne christians se de medical kan se me ba be de asumdwe nko ane de banye se bia maba mabe ya ayin funyina na bitia ama na mukasa empesua so na
Tradia come. Was that a monk so
far? 87,000 villages. 37.
And how can you say?
And 238 polling station.
Oh, say and
yes, I was 10,000. I don't be mistake. 10,000 polling cast. 100,000 polling.
And if I'm a cotwaban, 100,000. I will atuma kwamma 100,000.
It also
I know open bear saying.
Oh, and I bet me number 55.
55,000.
I bet 55,000.
Hey,
because semi share.
Now we win it. What you say?
Sir, yeah, pulling, 100,000. It may move 55,000.
If I said a mujina,
any paniansa.
If I'm yes,
MPP, Kofiaman Kwamano, and against us a Majima, and I mean, it may move 55 for almost watch it. Yakan, much 45. Wow, I said, Mrs. Omacasi. But we have 55,000 now. I'm more actually 45.
Okay. So when you're independent candidate, but for your UPP,
yes,
candidate, yeah, what are the challenges? And all Ukraine said,
that Yamaka Kumanya, Yansa Kuma, Yankupoka, and Emma. Boniface capacity of building. A daily cano, Sir Bolobo, I can see. We share Amanania, but 2 coin kakra. We show Momo outside now, Bolobon, a homogeneity more found, abandoning and faso, ama individuals in your mother. But MP for the Banoma to Nasaura. Even say, any panoquia, they are no by your money. I made them a buy and I made that to Macmos, and maybe I mentioned, say, you to know. Obion Bolobia, I'm a boy and say, abroad, Abuchikras, a team be or nakoto naja ye hwe ne kakrakra na je won so timi akonanim na won so timi abaye star e wo me pesua so efse nyani mumien sakra na o ma akra bebo me ama atwuma kwa matimi ayenkoso efse me no kase atwuma kwa ngoma emra ye tie constituency no MP bia different party bia transoda MPP nko na transo anso ye nya hwe wo ho ya kwan janan bia school sem eda kwase ze mitwa picture bi brɛ atwuma da ko apieku bi ona bo apieku bi ese wosi library foundation na oto ye no okɔ 3 times won ntimi anwie oto foundation no answer that was a school ba kwa de sense so omo ntimi nya ana school bi so mo be siam na do lentil eno so akaguram ebubu kura fa no kura bugu ana si won since 1946 ya kwa me nkroma mo me nya school wo ho no ebi me ka ho bi
the school na o ka na bi ni
ebi ni Atumada ko school e obi ni all wa say they say 1946 you omunye anye si omunye ne hwe o de hwe we on say we sense so eduko bia school kwa na nkofo Atumada ko na we bia school na nkwa kotrema em ebetimi go boku mom so omukom ya school omukom wow school omukom lockdown ba na ja omuntimi enkoye but e bia ombeko ombeko tena na school we bia was essence so 1946 na school we ni sabini party okay eti me hwa tuma kwa ma abana moaye MP fo ne ba o mu fi so eze bia mo se ntomo mo ba no be chiska kra mo de ni ato mo no ye yiwo no mo aba hwe apiaku bidie ho na ba apiaku bidie the foundation of training o we na so what to say we library okwo 3 times you tumi ye ni o Atumada ko wa na wo udodu station okura na wa na wo okwo 3 times na arasen kwa no wanto ye busu asase and the school no one asase no ne dia ne say all testament trap blocks na wato dan no on say 3 times do tumi ye onya hwe emai so on etina say kama kuma say
onya hwe dia wo kana say na esa wa rubbish so many years oba ye nema
oh there be so many years
bia de wa ye no nso need to the sense bia hu se mfie dumie no wo form ba ka so onye hwe dia minim
se me hu de wa ye me hu de wa na ho bia se me hu de a me twantro ebi na metwa ba kire we se wo ba na o to library si wie ya metwa metwa to wanzi library ti je wo ye ebi na metwa kire we so hu ona ba pego mka se wo ye bia ma wa mo ye na kuvya manko no aba kuvya manko ma no so na ye to aba wie ya na o ma pani ma na so Jubilee House so nko ye national security okọ 4 years no won so mebo bia wasa aba se obepe MPD won so dia pegu be the same thing obasa be ye senka e be susu nke hye wo ma senka obi akọ be bibia ma ye ne akọ national security no akọ beba na obehwe na chi so won so pese obe MP no baba behwe chi na so hwe na ekunafo ani nyanka na so abobom kakrakra sa na manyina wato na serom wanye so that say me kura na sabi ono won ka che me no na me wo fom kura me bitimi bu akunafo etimi hwe even 20 kura beto aba ade ba kwa emian se miana mpeka si ho se samere wa foni nyina amom koto aba ema MPP me kwa me se fanse so MPP so we nyina chi me we nyina chi no afi yekoruas mosque mani mu afi ye adwuma akra afi abande bande beto so afi adwuma nyina ya basa de kura din na ho na me freche ma wontumi se anka me freno ko me wo company set ga bia contract kakra ko no wagina de man anka jama so menya de me hwe me remember me friend 1000 one penny chama wontumi fire o fire no ka kire me se first lady okumase na so free her dey obe frame efro be se na one frame ena man na me yesa se me se abu MPP party na fe de mo ya mo kan edikan na kire masa atwemo ebi ni se wo ma organizer ko MPP ne me ko anu menya kwa na ko jagwa nkampe onu say ye tell me kasa na say
region
constituency wo ma organizer edi twwa obi a wo na ye campaign ema apieku bi enya 2016 no 2012 benya 2016 obisi 2016 odu Jubilee House afọ frena wonfa ano no kura say jai ano sa beta man kwa manu achi na wasa campaign man kwa manu aba azubo se wa makon besa akọ no be frena wonfa uma organizer onam fom likunu ka na Ford kitu bi na ja okọ no the community o da benya krakra edi pa de wa boa no so boa de bi so na be cho no
nipa dos
edi pa dos seze na say when people that came na say wo constituency organizer so dan foma na efe na o se ti wo de he
awade oba mo ha me no nya adwe constituency MP no wo ye na dwuma ana won so constituency executive no so won so ye odwuma
so
party na mo ye de mo boa edimenya so say MP betuli sika to kasa ma all the executives in the constituency
also want me say wo betumi lobby amaga aban so na metro ne ka say yetimi bi ni say wo kwa MP no bibia wo bia wo say o manfo hia na waka kire o mampani se asumese wa bon homode se me bo me homode se nipa koya ya koto abama wo ba pawe sebe campaign kura wo ye ko boka se wo de ba 2016 power no over billions of dollars if you go send this car to fuel the man people no mo de campaign e mo so de ba power na me ma ye we na se wo ba no wa mfimi a na de bia na Kofi Amankwano bo betuma ba ya atwa constituency otimi nya hwe e so mo no ni kaye people ni kaye me se wo to abama no ko parliament so oba o mfi obia na me so de me akonya se me kwa akwan betimi aye clinic ana nya betimi bisi bi wo ho se school na nya betimi dia ba ni te betimi dia ma ne se if you say me no be a different party it is me kwa aban bi oba bia oba so oba famia so na me cho no me chere se me mindful akwan ne nye so na me cho no afi nso no ahokyere wo ho factory bia ni atwuma kwa nwoma etimebo mbodi se mehwe ama aban no so aboaye ama atwuma kwa nwoma fo ho ato wo eja na me akora ho ode wo me na da ensuo nso da maguma se me ba metima ye nsuo no na my ne pipe de obetu water bi kura na efu me tubo ho na me tank esisi so na my supply ko bia fi na utimi enye bidi wade enya fe na tamade de aso a de akonsuo so na mejo na aboa atwuma kwa nwoma na yenye sika kranso mu de aboa ekuro no efise je water bay de bia busumi bia na je water bay kakra ne de boa ahemfo so de bobo ekuro no ama so bi kura ho kire mutumi akosa office ayi bi de aboa so what they say eti money so bebre afen so teachers me wo akonya bi say me ba me boa ma teachers so we university o so we training college o ye akonya bi say ye wo teaching ye wo ne ma bi de chade a ye betimi a kire wo ama wo nso no school bebre etimi afawo ama wo so
no chade already o chade na command
akonya ne say ye wo teaching ye wo ne ma bi de chade e wo net e bi a books say yetimi ye bi so
where capacity be that teachers
teachers you know even my wife aduma we consultants or private schools it is a oba na say we teachers ya otimi train teachers na ma na wo do moko o friend school so baba kire e kwa fa so kire de lockdown bae wa bo nipa bibire e wo afie mu anye ono abia ka nipa bibire ma de anka omo de enkomani mu sa ada so they say it is amo sa konya so ma teachers ya metisa eku bi sa ato no ma mehwe bi teacher for bi train wo mu e kwa e for so skills different skills say o metimi de akira de kama if say wife no otimi kire teacher for nyina de any sectors de aboa me ama menya enkoso so be precious afi de tosu biem my wife also no say the medical so we consultants afi insurance de maka infrastructures afi library your electronic library wo and you betuma send in the WhatsApp line na be you betuma send books na ye de switch de no enyina de amon na mo de kire nkra de eno ye gusu kra ye ya de kire nkra na bibire bi wo pachi trade na me no ka se mo for chade wo ICS the National Community Center etino community school etino ye betuma sa na menyina de aboa ama mpesua so enkoso betuma ba wo kama me no ka se twene ase efo frame sa am se ejana de kwa bi ni ho
ni twene ase
ni twene
ma na no mo ko ne se
am ko no wiram sabi
ni bia na
wiram am ko am ja o manan so na de ntina wo se basa am so mo to abakra ma NDC da am to aba ma party bia da da bi am to aba ma MP
na wo kwa ya mo encourage wo ho bi se asset me fo so yan so no isusa no na me ni se ejana no community na timi ya communal labor na ya bobi so na ibia penu bi dia samso na mpeni fo ya bo akra mo fa nchesi bi mo so twem ne dade because bibia the person ba ne be ya
no
say mo wo
eno kanebre no na chese ya papa mo kire eda me kokura bi ase mami bi o kosa jana bi so da mo pepre kwa nya me kwa ko tum o hwemu si a na woni so biru decide man de sam de twem titi won yetimi kosa de no so
ene ya wo be ko no nwura na nka obe ye no no de ne
na me busa se na mo ko boy yankote duro mani ahaban ya ebi ko muniska o mo se ni mema so mo dima se adwuma na mo ana tole so ka so obo so obo pa o mo communal bo mutimbo because ehu udi agodo bogu so it's in the bopa ida ko ya bobida ne de bopa papa bi se bi nyam fa de currency e fe na jeje bi ye de bone pa na wa fe ni pa base tu aka no mabo so dem je communal ban ehu wo ya ni pa nim ni so bitime buoku no e fa so na ko fa atorenche so de aba mpesua no so eti ben sa aban beboa so na je toilet de sebe yesi ni se aban beboa na wo beboa na bibia be enkoso kama ama twene asefo eti atwa kwa made efiri wo ko nyina aban no MP ba nyina obi enu aye bibia wo even inso factory kra na ho odin wo ande futu ne kuma manfo sa wo na wasema ne de emra panifo yima bia hwehwemu ko hospital hodo ko hwehweye me ko doctor for Jesus futu ne kuma ko fo nyina ade da wo se basa
futu ne ko
futu ne kuma fo nyina futu ne atwa kwa futu akuma mu nyina ndam se me hwa manensai
akwanye wo
akwanye ana siziale amna sa hona bo peku bi ko 3 times wa MP party bia maso da wo hona bo peku bi ko 3 times party bia maso da ade da wo se basa party bia maso da ndam se me hwa manensai tache ko ahoma yankopɔ ma minya sa ko ma sa me mra na magim free sa ahokyere no eti mo hwɛ sɛ December 7th be ye number 3 wato abana ma me number bo omunyina atogu number yi mi na me so makɔ parliament ma bo am me wakonya kese che sɛ me kɔ aban bi obababi o ka so obapami a ma kwanye ye ni factory bi o me pensu aso adwuma bia nso ni wo enti aba ne mu me aba ne yama me dia be kwa woka na ho na so wanya dia me so me kan no na afi na ayi manzo na da wo na gise me pese so tumi atu na
na se kwa yesa wa o nsu
o na bo mo ani kwa na me bobo hwe Joe Wise hwe bi se Joe Wise ko jina kontokre na se me ko ho afum kwan ko mu kutal wasanya second speaker of parliament Joe Wise koko he mpesu aso adwuma wa ye no odun kwa onu wanya mpi na bia na don kwa de sesa ne manyina kotal de nyina asfalt ne esa kodu kromosa enam ne ko jida kontokre ni tina ma wakasa akufu adofa sekanya no na kaye no ahwe MP fo mo ko jubila so mo di laso me so se me hye chema ye ko ye wampani wa ni laso ye ko ani ewuram no mama ko ani ewuram so na me I ko bisada ukwa ye mo akọ no ewuram street
ne so ko mo di laso MP
fo line ukwa di laso o boss no otia wa wutimi challenge but me dem ye mi jamba bi eti me kontokwe me ba me taka de me pe o de me cho no ana MP so wani nya dina wutimi nya hwe mo ampesu aso yakasa MP
ne no sasen
ene so betu kasa
so ngo kontokwa pa
ene bi kontokwa pa be so wutimi kasa esesei ye tia kura no wasole so da je eso e de wakwanye so da me na kura so din no dan mu ma obeda timi nya de pade ba o mpesu aso wuja hwe na afi so woni investors edin sa wo so na me cho na busibisa me kan wasem bi emre bi etwa mu western region na edipa mienu krom mienu we passembere mai so e bi ayese bantema ana e bi ahodwo asebe ma mienu bi e passembere mai ba ko wosika pa wotu sika gum chicha mamamfo saa me to aba na ma ye to aba ma no ba pa wa wie no eska fo ba no wabie no ahiafo duro a wonfi wo ana kro ba ko so de o mo to aba no ma obi an ho kire no ana hiani no dey wonso enya aba no ahiafo ba no wabie wo ahiafo ba no wabie wo wo yesa na wo sesa na okopie okoduru broni bi so na broni se adi asem ana wo se me pension sa ho kire ho ana broni so ni mu ana enji wo fu so no be ye hospital kase ye ni ma bebire o ma no afene che se meme ne wo no ahiafo wo Ghana ne ska fo Ghana o do yese se ahiafo na do so me pa cho sabe ahiafo na do so eti skani ni de won se skani ba no wabie no ni ba wo mie no ka da me cho no eti MP fo bebire mu yeska sabe o mu ye na ahiafo no munya ko parliament dia mu so ma wi eti ni 17 na me se me hwa manense atuma kwa ngoma be sira mu say December 7th munya gidi omu na munya amakwa manu firi wo na munyi ndis nsufura mu fam nto abanama me na me ko parliament na emwa mu na bibibia enya nkoso so da me John
right I was so din komo on Sinopi we atuma kwa ngoma na ene ura James Opoku Mensa UPP parliamentary candidate adema atuma kwa ngoma ene no edi komo ya dindwene constituency no ho wase a lot of challenges MP now say 12 years when we so much no
amotu
ni ze na na mbe ne baba to aso
order ban amen me kwa me butum ska be na so we say we blocks ultra blocks be 5 times obitime sia boss amana boss we say MP betime bet wonye
ndiko so adenti pa na ebia ama wo hu so betime ya no munye what is wrong
say abro na say abro e che say omuni do maye atuma kwa man kasa omuni do maye MP fo ni enya eni do bia maye say ye ho kire ye media me wodo ema me nkrofo nti na hwe sika amasel na timito language al mamedam aso me se masel me na mfo mu ye campaign say me ba power ma beje me nkrofo afiri o hawo ni amane o monam mu so that say
right I was saying go so edi enkomo me twa ye homra sema na ye ba ye ne ora Opoku Mensa James ever to us ever see
where the party day today. Hey mama, hey I ever say.
Okay, everybody I say TIME Time Heba. I will so season 2 audition no. Assign a baby put your band. Not the what the 18 years aircraft. Who qualify say I will so audition. Over to me a baby. The here say who wants to see it now be shaky. No what twerky. No one was so now you fair and no kwa any here. So your band not so over to my way now. And for what the baby for the check Ahojo this week Time Heba Awoso season 2 audition no baso ewo Ahojo Atinga Junction Kumasi baby Akumawu TV wana Awos pub ho pepe Time Heba Awoso season 2 no yedi audition no eba Saturday ebe ya ebe baso live yenyina yenhiem wo ho na ampaya Ebeja. Jumadi, a chedia bebrewom. Diobedi kano, yadini ko Dubai. Empo, sa open Dubai no, na sa open se, ye ni sika de mawa. Nia, katika ni na bom, nia dia mau. Na se dia Dubai na na dia ye. So de beto car na dia to. So de besi view. So de be yajubo, so de be bia. Na dia ye. Dia beto so mieno no. Ye man 5,000 Ghana cedis. Ana dia beto so miensa no. Ono so ye man 3,000 Ghana cedis. Ene achedie bebre. Ene we no na pepepe. 4 p.m. Na contestants ni na I am ready. Wait I TIME Time Heba. I was season 2. For number na that screen is no. Ne praise is here 0243 174870 0243 174870. Or say the time I was nobody has to say shake your waist. Time Heba. I was shake your waist. I was season 2. Ebeye butu. Sponsored by TIME. Time Heba.
We had a party day today. Hey mama, hey I ever say. Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Yes, Kumawood Training Institute and San Juma Ahimfie asaka omo bio. O say fa na miensa pe fa be suansa no Juma na fa bo bra. Mentra ho na da bia no enkosre sika e wo bi ho. Wankasa ye boss. Ye wankasa wo Juma na wo so ye mfra boss ni bi. Enu ti na Kumawood TV4 edwene Ghana fo ho e no makofa Kumawood Training Institute Ediaba Sebra Nebesuansa no Juma na emwa yede enam yensen esuansa no Juma bi ti say bees making shampoo conditioner hair pomade with decide the akuafo adi spray omo no bae so no bra nebesua na emwa CCTV and multi-TV installations bioenzymes 3D epoxy biofield digester the friend of flash ya na ahye no sansa no Juma we nyina yede enam yensa pe ena de asi ho a yade ebe kyerɛkyerɛ mu nyina
wotifie bi a wadwen bɛyɛ ɔsɛ ɛbɛyɛ den kra na matimi de nam yansa pɛ asua saa nsanodwuma we nyina mame kyerɛw ɔmo ba last month no ɔmo bɛdi adanse sɛ ampa ɔmo timi de nam yansa pɛ asua nsanodwuma bebree ɛno nti ba ne nya sɛ wontimi nsua
ɛno nti yɛse fa 300 Ghana cedis pɛ na fa bɛsua saa nsanodwuma we nyina ɛba so on the 27th and 28th November ɛyɛ Friday, Saturday and Sunday ɛnam yansa pɛ ɛna yɛde asi hɔ a yɛde sua saa nsanodwuma we nyina sɛ wo frɛ kyerɛ na ɛba baabi a ɔbɛda ɛyɛ free ɛno nti we deɛ ka kyerɛ wo nua na wo nua nso ka kyerɛ ne nua sɛ Kumawood Training Institute for deɛ ɔmo kyerɛ wade a sɛbi wɔkɔ
Kumawood TV.
Right. Yes, I'm Akwaba and from Sinopi on Kumawood TV. You will Achuma Kwamama constituency. Chadie, Enum district capital, and I 18 Komo. UPP, Amanyuko, no parliamentary candidate. I Utia Achuma Kwamama, Opre, Ebon Toa. sɛ mo a mo ho me na de no fa no kɔ parliament na ontimi nkɔboa na mpuntu ontimi no atwa kwa mama ura James Okumensa ene wo ha ene no edi enkomo na de ba ko a waka me ho dwumi pa ɛyɛ sɛ kuro bi wo hɔ a emma ne mema ɛso mo jɔ na fa ko om ko nwuram na emma no kwa da ya na nye problem na wo yɛ bɛma na wo ko nwura ko ja online na abo atia bi da hɔ no ɔbɛn wa ɛde ne besi ɛnei 21st century
me says the bar Canada, America, and Germany. Na abuama yutu na nyadwuma ye ball bonachino African world omupam eno ye wakonya se ye buy be na export e dis e wo pamba ko na ton be $10 kra ma wa akwa bruchira e betuna jiska kase e di ambo se e rekoma ye wo market on African market on ma moto to sane ma no wono ye wo African shop on ma mo pam no mo mbeto kra fia de ko o mbeto fia ko Germany ne Canada na America mi na o mbeto fia ko no mo de ko me na go shop no moto ndisa akonya ne se bebo ma YouTube no so anya adwuma ye ne sabe omo a omo na yo ye nyina bebo ma mo sua adwuma no mo so de anya safa so na de afri so afri so me ba so de me bi me se meka ekrumo nyina meka me pese so bia boom asolefo Christian for your program bia mo frɛ me a na se wo obisadi bi na se mo me so me ba beboa mo na bibia ye kama sa na muslimi fo so ye bibia na ba beboa mo na bibia ye kama enti no wo bibiara enye gigi wo mo to abana ma me na se mo to ma me na me ba beboa ma atwuma kwa ma aye abeye kra behwe ya bi kura ma da
but I say when you say I'm for the channel into us yes do you know concert in New York no dia no bi kan ye obia
o se na ana me ka se metumi hwe kura for ana me wife nso kura timi aye sa lockdown
ana your wife na contest
I know wife na and look my back with me abua emiama efa pechiwo ne tede oba no nipa bebre timi enya fa so wu e wa de chiremu so that me join because nipa bebre tifi and dem ade ba kura e de kura ne say lockdown by me national chairman o kra mu fra buchiri yanko beton atikuta base nice no o cheni nyina ama eden ama america fo kura bebo na baso e say wa ya de lockdown ni nipa wa ya de pa na Kennedy Kwame Asamoah wa ya de pa lockdown ba
o Kennedy mi ni pa
so de no okra mu from America wo de buy na lockdown about chema bia bi wanyi wansi di kura mfiri ama Ashanti region go bi ba na se nyi nipa nyina no msaka o made e di kan lockdown na oni nipa wo ya de kase na je wakonya se ye buy bituma de chesa.
Okay, was it good evening Sir Mike? I'm enjoying your show. Please I want to find out from the parliamentary candidate what is his educational background.
Education there because school 1992 okay sa 7 ya we and so no ya twere betwere metime kai time twere bibia metime ya nyansa nyame anama me nyansa akoma enti na ko school no achi and so minim dia na wo so na da
okay Hackman also oheye yeah ya chia pa na nwumre hi Sir Mike, kindly ask him will he be able to assist with the youth to get more jobs in the constituency? Which number you?
ama David na bit me checho mu ka dia bo sunu kwa ya ma 3 million na to to na to be 4 years papa wo matchma ko
Hi, sir. Mike Toa, watching you from Kadia. This man was against setting up of this. Now we come and ask.
Oh, there be any quadia. Ma antin was a crowd. But here some Supreme Court ebuya. So yes no na kupanda kwa mete kwa zanto kwa ba. Ami de minimum hwe kura.
Uni mo hwe. Propaganda no mo ya.
Propaganda wo ya obo obo. Me minimum hwe na minimum hwe. Me na minimum hwe mete ya ne say yisi ayi o mo say Supreme Court ayi judgment say yenyi enema ni na fa mra twede. So na mecho na but no mu yi no. Na wo say ko munya abotre. E ma na adokora itimi ba obekasa.
Okay.
So e bekasa kira manfo no munya antiase. Ansa na de mo yi nyam ba so mo de force yi ne ko fa ntoko ba e ma e bi prepare. So na mejo na he ma bi kura wuye. Oh, yeah, me apa, me tell us me ya.
Colin Samuakon, I say good evening. Most of the health centers in our constituency is not of good shape. What will he do?
Me ba, me hwe na maboa. Ama health there, me ni je ho pa. If say adwendwene ade ba ko ekum ni papa.
Okay.
Etem di kan say me ba, me hwe say won say obom ko nya asem ko court. Na say woni kamafo a na edodo no. Na fe ne ho kire no na wada dwudwu so yewu ti be ba me se meti committee a me pe lawyers office lawyers egum ya so bi nya asem a okọ office wo ma na okọ gina no defend no eno nya me fa sa aka no because adwendwene ade a e ka head pa ne adwendwene kum ni papa won se ho kire wa o ti be dwun sa ne bi ka head pa adwendwene
Kwangoma no edin ko me awon man ntum me fa only 3 course per na me fa on 020288648462 020288668461 numbers na go screen no wait me afre na yet me ate wonka me fa 3 course enti wura mu ntemu a ebit me apeke na afi no yet me edin komo yedin komo awatwema kwangoma nsama wakan ebia na wo ho hu sanete bi won so hu se da bi otu futu na Ghana fo ani a wait me afre na afi yet me ate but the issue of say o say kuro bi wotwema kwangoma ne yi a MP Stronghold omo jom na we ni
ajana bia no wo wiram obo jom na wo wiram twene ase
o hene okurumo
o hene o twene ase wo udu trader e kwa na konkokole no ho na wo
basa wo MVP ni
me MVP ni mapa
e na o ja ko UPP
se enam se mpenifo no moyenti ana ma me so me se me ba UPP na de me so me ba bo amen krofo
mpenifo no mo mo se sen
oh se
wo no in particular na constituency
o manya hwemai me particular so mo afim kaza metim bebe but constituency na nkasa ho kire wo do enam se me hwema na nse na me ba bo amen krofo no mo so de o mo ho ato entina ma me abase me ba be yi se me ba be gina se UPP na o mato abama me na ma ba bo ampeso so fo
okay enti no wo kwa lessons no what do we aka je hu se ida so be lu so na be wini
o be wini
wa fa sa ni na
o me wini o gidie se me de chopper na me patch me kwa mo fo se o mo ntoma me o mo toma me menya o mu nyina adwen ba ko so mo to ma me a menya aba
na okwa unya response na the same
o response no ye bi se mani pa group background so bisa o mo se o mo peme se mi wisiki o se mi diski o se mi se di o mi ana mo peme
only will be NPP National Security Officer ewa don't need your friend say
Kofi Amankwa
honorable Kofi Amankwa na me jira o mo hu sa
o de mo mi hu se tio ye be se ade ba ko se me pesos for hwe ne se woti obi a mechi usika bete be to ba ne nipa na bro usika ese gina to ba mame na se wi na se be waton we de onim die so na mecho bete hwe se upo obi oba boa wo ama twuma kwa mati twumpon sika de be ma wono ise ma obi a 10,000 ne kura na.
Okay, I make a call with bra. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Okay, budget was one.
It is a little bit easier to set to Abama. Na se woto Abama no wie na okọ na se onfi wo frɛ na wonfa na se de tia na tia enya fe because atwa kwa ma MPP city na re MPP city o ma transfer sa apia ku be conference bibie no ma re abo watwa kwa ma ho na ko viema kwa ma no so ba ono ko national security no se ko be bibi kura ho wadwa ma yadwe ho waba so be MP no sa atoma na okọ na de bi atwa kwa ma ne ho kire ya sa emerwafo no adwenbini kumomo de futuzu kumomo ade don se basa eto so de omo fo mo ho adwen na omo pe me omo gunya be hye mo no mo to aba na me na so mo to ba manu a be ba assembly members wo nyina so na de me hye omo kama na bibia akonkan.
Okay, I think that you have some technical way your phone calls no TV I me in fact call bia mo fan che ba but they all cannot I believe say so person to aba na man ko ade a you getting the message. Me ma 2 minutes hwe camera yi mu kasa che atuma kwa mo afọ ya me aduma December 7th oba ko to aba
atuma kwa ma die dikan me da obi bia se edikan twedian bo edikan danas ene asofofo wo atuma kwa ma nyina asoli bia ene bozremi me da obi bia se ese me wo kuma wu TV so a me ne mudi enkuta won se December 7th munya gidi o na monto abama me na mitimi mbra emaji ye ni free ahokyira ye wo imu etimi so obi biara mo bi bia hwede obi beye so obecheska na nse kwa samba kwa mete kwa nse so ma bampetia ene heman ese ba omia loan bi o ma baje obi a 40 cedis eso bobo mo loan o mo je 40 cedis kwa ehunu pa ko jiska no
wona ba jiska no
so constituency
wona ba omia loan
ba omia loan
40 cedis
loan so ama loan so ama eso mo utwa 40 cedis ama 10 million loan so ama bisine yes kana kam ya a business kana nkasa me boa opa woman organizer wo constituency obi twan frena busa na ebi ko fema nkwa ban ko afro busa obaka kire o ma ba jiska no ama loan ko ansa ama ade tin wo se basa so jame kwa na usame me ko fo ehun kire wo na wo bebo mo so wasa be jom 40 cedis wo je enso a wansa fa loan ama wo o mu be bi eska nso afa ade tin wo se basa eti o munye gidi o matwa kwa ma na mo ntoma me munye gidi o na mo ntoma na mo ntoma me a mo abohu ne ma me ama mo so na mecho e bo am kama je diga afi je tozo me dan fu nyina seni asofo wo nyina ra ene empesua so nyina obi yara bisa de nyina nyakopo onye mo bibiara me do bias.
Yes, so yeah, that's it. I will say this man seems to be so humble. I will appeal to all people voting on December 7th at Atumakwangoma to vote for Ura James Opoku to bring development. Okay. Good evening, Sir Mike. Kindly tell him we will not come out to declare our support for him. I am an NPP member, but I will vote for him come December 7th. Okay. I say he is being sponsored by the NDC, and so let's us forget about him. Ken Spotty. So NDC for next one.
Oh, you're not correct. Niana me sponsor me. NDC bia ma me 1 cedi. And NDC for me miskan ko mu. Me na from the campaign. Ma to me japade na me wisika me na ma spend am the campaign. That's can me talk at me dem. As me send some the campaign about power. Na kan NDC for next one come talk na me na come na mo campaign. As me na for na me campaign. E to kasa anya no correct.
Na kwakwa.
The kwakwa ne say the tosu bi the twato kra ne say said the manya gidi o memu no the twato ne say me see the edi kan be ba me manifesto no me see sika MP for the delegates no says can men say no men say no me ba me delegate no be transfer akasa
Okay.
aka chiro me say munua says can be the mam na mudia said entimi so aba enti no me dey bie clinic ana me to test na me dey farming so bi kra be fa on to fuel gum wo de kono koya adwuma na afeso na so twa no ba na se two bus kwa na agina dey maintenance e basa na agrochemical ma bie bi wo ho na munya no bo na ba fom na mo de ye adwuma eno ba bo ma ahoto aba wa kire se ma be yiska 50 million sha monsa mo giwe ya bia na nsa na asa ese bi a amfon ko so bia ma so na mi afa de to so bi me ban so ma hwe se youth no so obi a woni ball bo bia na me hwe se me de be ko se abroche kwa no be ko na okobo teams ni bi sɛ be ya won so betimi akɔsoro ntem apagya ntem na agenity efa so atimi aba mempesua so afei de to so biem so me ban so a mehwɛ sɛ meti committee na ba bi office ama me manfo sɛ de lawyers lawyers bebam sɛ de be ya adwendwen ne kum nipa kese pa I ka hate adwendwen ne kum nipa sɛ de be ya omo nso enya asema ebetimi aboa wo mu na omo nso adwendwen na so ate afei de to so biem kura no afei beba yemrenti afei de kwakura no afei no wona sɛ be omo na anye ne ona woni bi nyina mebo omo su adwuma na nyema mbe from African way na mso shipping e de call outside omo so agency more amount afei Christopher ni Muslim mi nyina meka obi bia bom sɛ mo ye program mo frɛ meba na na ma hemfo bibi bia mo ye bia mo frɛ meba enti na bia me ma na so bia na ofa mo cheme na December 7 mo nya gidi omi mo ye number 3 na mo to aba na meka maka na bibia nya nkoso
James Obokumensa third on the ballot Achuma Kwangoma constituency parliamentary also kwa asie ho na odi atumi edi amano na obaye MP a emmo bia onya bia wade be ma obani ya na ase ye ne wahia na edi be hia bi wa na yato ba na wi e bia na oye MP ye mpai bono enti bia ya sa hostu bi ona ye member of parliament e ma Achuma Kwangoma amasa nso no a ye MP bia no e na oye afa se otirim se akansie e na wokro di be funu ba bia no ni nyina no eye e ma nyame amen that's pa and show the best of luck say nyame ni wani na onka ho right abuja ora James Obokumensa and out in kan no we say idru wa Achuma Kwangoma no wo na waduma boa no wo to abanko ade a wa kai no na wato e di ama no me ntwa ye homra na e ba me wo papa yi ono ko parliament modern board papa na government spokesperson on finance and then member of parliament for Bantama constituency Honorable Daniel Ochem Agwaje Ezubetenasi na fi rewremu edin komo ahwe say your mind no ekanko ACTF why you should vote for NPP come December 7th Ochem ewa ha ene be nyamre na etimi eti enkomo e ba sisia
well all pia o say say ifrimu mo ye den nti be slowa wina fa kokko wi na say dia wa woni tua wo fa say no mo ye den ma menti wo de wina na wo yere na mfa nkonkoye diguma na mama wai
abusa yenko nkumase
munko nkumase
Martin Luther
Oh, it's been a long time yeah
me say minia obra kwantu ya wo semina na ma yan kretwe na ni ahwedan yo na busu ya pani asoma me semina me pada e wo kumase afamara na me so ya chini ye nya daka yi bi
nansani
mo na that's why wo hia me de woni problem kra wo beje di se me free Dubai bedru Ghana ana me na na kwabedantwi wo to na nanom ansia do ni eja yi ni bo me so e wa bre de me ni kapre odu obi na kire me go so casket shop e wo kumase labor haya me ko ho no ma ana mo sa ne me yes kan hye yo wo de bi ntwa no misika ye di ma me se me fa no iso abezu ye se me ambulance na me sam fe de be da no enka ambulance ani de be da ho omo ye ambulance service into any problem kra ani na ye nya ni se wo benya sika kakra bi di ato ase you know say kuma stay by plan no ye kwena mo ko kira wo some Horseman casket shop here ye wona ka me bere te se de mo hu nyina Horseman casket shop ye wo kuma se in front of New Town ye di labor office na ben Horseman casket shop ana we are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Adi,
honey, I never surprise you. Edusa herbal mixture, any Edusa herbal capsules, and no who dreaded there. You could debrill. Musa Dawo complaining with Sisini Cocoa, Epe Ajiwakade, Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules, and no who jack a sepan and neck, you could debrill. Winning a yama money mema, Edusa herbal mixture, and Edusa herbal capsules, and your cocoa Sicilian drink a sepa.
Edusa herbal mixture.
Any Edusa herbal capsules, Mr. Otsnasi.
Edusa herbal mixture, any Edusa herbal capsules, and my member Gina Brani, na a yemay.
Na edu say ya wasese me brabo obu ye.
Sweetie, me be come mama adwamwa.
Hey! What does ye aye juma?
It's a living testimony. Kone kwajudi.
What kaki? Yeah,
I'm sorry. Obie to me numbi. I just a pin for. One woman for down for. And it's the only fear do me.
Eddie. Ahwehwe saa adwade nkrato yi mu agye atum se eye
mensenye dia nanka malaria ye me pasa ada mutumi mu ame ne oyi mami menye drum oye ye friend nye dia herbal mixture eye malaria do papa so wo ko hospital na hu se malaria mo woni bi wo moje mu a ko penye dia herbal mixture so malaria nyina wonu mu ato a nyanya dua heba mesa wonu mu beye kama na ubedi di batama mame si wa ware si ho atia no bi so mame na mame ba ko pe na ode man ko heba shop dodo nemo nsabeka bi
me de begia ware na nkasa nye dua herbal mixture
dua ye dro
ebusiafo ma me kan yampa hwedewi a me kuno wo si bi hwie aduane no hwehwenye dua herbal mixture na wanom ede amame abofra wonni mfie dumie no ana opemfo entumi mfa se edure nye dua herbal mixture bro aduane
ade a hwehwe edwadie yi nkrato agye atomu se eye
ade na so hu me a wo de bibi osie
enya dro ne dro edro ne ne sayade Axco herbal capsule team ene mi koko na ha mi bebrebe eyi ni nyina afiri ho
mi wura mi anye bai men so metimi anom Axco herbal capsule hibi
metimi anom bedodo na woni Axp herbal capsule eno ne ma mi sisi yade ni nyina afiri mi so a ma me ho ato me
Axp herbal capsule hina ma ni jabapi so di bibiosio Axf herbal capsule e boost your immune system
ejento so de usisi da bia cha na ebi chi aka ho me sisi ndi aka ho Axp herbal capsule ebe bo ma sisi na ye kama
two passes a one mama water.
Also, they show me. Hey! Axp herbal capsules. Famame, me so me kwanu we. Unyanye dan no. You wani?
Ni be dey nya bi.
Ax no pay. Enye na ewo herbal any pharmacy shop dodo na mu.
Da onya mfie dumie no apemfo ene oba o manofo entimi mfasa adru. Sana.
Amaya wode foforo.
FDA ahwehwe saa ejodi enkrato yi mo agye atomo se
Kumewood TV, Amansane, Yena Yediemu.
Emana Sadu Hobio, December 7th, Ghana Sankotuaba. Since 1992, I NDC and NPP. And somebody will hold Nippon Sinopi.
Enyan to about NDC are buying your mind. So what you say, NPP, your manifesto, how much I say at the year, Juban.
Abuya. And for the time.
Abuya,
the youth, the what? And that is the most single.
Kumewood TV,
Right. I was just Makwaba and Famra Sinopi on Kumewood Television. You go so 18 komo. Ya couldn't come our Achuma Kwangoma constituency. Is he said here? UPP for near Bre Power Ashanti region and Yagro, Ashanti region, all eyes in Ashanti region will be up as soon as you crack at the free Ashanti region. My guests, what can I say? Or your spokesperson, government spokesperson on finance. Into your basic customer by the day of my Ghana, Minu Musika, Aquapoye, Bessia, Wabo, the Odia ye, Numedia Bano AD, economy no, Serenity, your dear Drew, Openi Bakwa. And they were born home in 4 years. Na sebejomu na wakasa techi woman Ghana 40 as year pa no. Or MPP ni Bantama na udi nimna sebeja kunya no. Unfortunately, so unfortunately say this time round Bantama for say on Transakra na omonfa ninua asensomra. Na ebi adachi bi almost happen on beside no aba. But on Tendai in the party, I can tell you say ejuma all year in Accra, in Kumasi, across the country. Last time, Kwane say so called Enzima was say Axim. Now our Axim, Katrafiku, and Yagro, Daniel, Wachem Abuachi, Afata, Ababa, When I work out there.
That's it for good compliments and good kind words. Thank you very much.
The last time I told Kanye, I said, "Oh, once man, I'm saying, now is my dear Katrina, you want to idea man, Zama, and the honorable time what I could do evaluate."
Then you demand is but now I say, some of the young Kwaka. Now, quite Bibia, I can say, Unwana Oka. Today's a Koneko Bontemene. Minister of Communication, Esla, and Jano, because for about 3 days. Did in human beach. Where you
Oh, Catherine, sir, sea defense.
Why you talk?
Oh, here, sea
very
defense.
Nice. Cuckoo, buying you my way, you were done. Is the man when I'm saying, Zama reduce yeah. It is so far, I think he's doing very well. Take a buana. Yeah. I called Dubiaso, I called Dubia, doing a few other things. Okay. Ebia, a call. Among the cement PA by we are, Minday by 28th. Imiana, we are magazine. Your command, okay, your Korea, Nabia, Makovi, Bibia, Tempo. Oh, wow, Namasaba, Sabas, in Tempo, because secondary school, oh, okay, a branch and of Noemi Senior, Sakodi, on Soy, parliamentary candidate, because Gusum Kakra, radio so, domestic from Kakra. I don't want them to say, say, you know, MPP, but Obinso Bakas, I want to watch them primaries. Primaries will lose. But the way we see a campaign, crowd, a chair, crowd, be crowned on our agent elections. What's the secret? I think I'm initiative for. I'm for a more basso, come out for. As a more quick business, I'm a division, I'm a member. What does it reduce? I know, because management. You can't Ghana movies near the Moya, make us a good shape mobile parliament. Moya Juma. Tia Konya be Ohio with me above in terms of Kwabi Nakaso will be willing to support. Especially this is my own personal request. Mumpe Kwami in Mobi. Okay. To my idea, I'm very happy. I'm more project myself. Right. We are seeing Minia, woman named me Pan, and Miss Matter America almost 14 years. Okay. And Mrs. Samanema, I'm a Bagana. And before me Bagana, I'm a name for Fubi, as I say, Juma, MG Microfinance. I'm sure saying Ghana, I the biggest microfinance company. You could have 25 branches in 9 regions. Wow. And for 13 years. Oh, okay. The microfinance, I'm think it and get no musuno, this problem. Nipa ye Juma. Dear, and this focus on Mabu Gubino. Aye, Nipa ye Juma, over 300. Okay. And Nakupa Dharma is selling my maybe a company bed 2 or 3, but Bakubi and Saviamunim, a car business here, Juma, 2M Express. Small buses. They were as a phone. Took a moment and quite. Mekana Brazil. So far, Mekasa can't to many 41 countries. Wow. And I'm a 2 Kwayako. Wow. Now, the who American do one and said Ghana, we may teach my is a okay. And I said, the Ghana, Ghana met maybe 2 billion. Emma America before me from my home in a quite biason. Contribution in China. Esieba. Neighbors mean Nipani Baby and Sana, I can't home you buy. Women are back here for my sister. Because we chatted accountant to send me on so soon I began about Soccer horns to buy. I ever Bogan and Puntu. To Yanko politics in Crano. Near Yinuma Boa or Mangan and Puntu. Microfinance American, for instance, 70 power over 50,000. I, your boy goes to Yanka because in Quasiran Italian. Into your Paqua boy among Puntu. Me buy a million about my food and say, Bantman a million. When I'm a time, I call America. When I'm here, students' union. Na me buy a crown, I'm missing because Africa. And yes, we never. Oh, okay. And I am couple of them. When I'm using a couple of men in Repa. Other years, Kakaming Quadia, Lenka, and visit near Mauconia, Oko Parliament, when Massive. Why are dear? Opajaga Bantaman in the whole Ghana, African party, super. Africa high what dumper MPP. Okay. The whole Africa. Na MPP. Amamu BBI is kasem. Yes, a Uba Parliament chair when Mrs. Samko. I said the Kamasama of mine. I was a Kazamwa. A Yam Shakasia, the Bantama. Tinaka may 7 years and Susan Kaban, Connie Papa on your day. And Antique. And you cry on Quabaji. And so I am here, and I call you. The one who's who are. You want our babies over. Unya se chinchina for man ye. The for man on ye. na support no na so Nyankopɔn ya dom ne ka so tinkoma ya na ya tutumi mu a e bia na so wonya bia dey before Friday aye nti no boni bia nim nti emu bi no de nti e ba politics no me fa na kwete say pulpit or politics pulpit ne say bia wa kokodi sofo okay ana say obey ye nyame smoduma no kese ana say obey politics am check here na say politics kwa nyame so
politics yeah I say mo sorry nyame so de say nwia o sika
nyame so
say mo wia yes ai na
o ma fo na nim
oh okay
nipa mo djuma ye nyame so djuma that's why some of us defend the politics is wo ye na wo ye ni ya nti wo hwe sebe krono sama wo bebrebe atemdidie propaganda na kwa ye nka nkire ye ho ni nyo bebrebe esese a na ye nyina ka se ye tiada sanse efi sebe wo mo ye politics no mo ni papa o mo ni papa ntini ne ya ka no ine nim nyansa ya tiada ebedo ma na konanim nti ye mu bi ye ba se okay ene ye mra na debate ni rich enya atemdidie bi ye ka issues no propaganda so wonu mi no kasa be tie bi twan ko dum pare se me chese ba ojimi se be se protest so wonu mi akasa na akasa wo twa bi twan ko dum pare se be chese be imagine mu no wo ojimi se be it is ma e fine na nim diefo ampanimfo a omo bi a wo ko na djuma ko awie a wo experience obetimi aboa beboa Ghana mpuntu na ye na kono no nso abambi okay na nyamesofo enso tumi enso yere abambi ni si nyamesofo nya na krafo obi anya perfect nyamesofo kakra nya no kradifo kakra ene obi mo experience be keka oman hu a na mpuntu no be ko ye kase ye tanchen kekesa ma sabe politicians bi a anya papa bi eba wurum sa na menua eba kachiri anunti ye ba ye no me fi se so far no ni ma pese ye no impact no ti se ne obi is kania na obi nyamsumnia na obi osofo kura na o so timi ko parliament bi na parliament no politicians no mu nyina na sebe omi akonfo na omu wiwi o masika ana omu ye wodifo nyamsumfo nso ye dai ogum na ye dey from sa no ebedu e bi na afa okay na isa kwa ntino purpose we dey buy no nti se minya so obeje ye dey a ye support no bantama me ye record do be bebrebe bantama before I buy election no na da 83%. Okay. So nipa ne 100 there to an 83. We buy Nyankopɔn Daroma ya page from 83% to almost 89%.
Wow. Best 6% that
yes,
count.
Almost 80 because 88.44%. Okay. This is the highest in our history. After 7 months has to have a man for bomb. So you know, so many so bad here. I have no option but to support him genuinely.
Now, oh yes, I did.
Of course.
Because you say MPs be on Lucia, so more campaign for Nana.
And that's why I call a press conference. I mean, Mr. Monko for about I aspirant to unite for victory. Victory. Yeah. Last press conference. Nehemiah and the Bayako and some election. I was there. Very important. Masa. Okay, now I'm to be a go. Kabeba. Who to be? It will be so better. We say, hey, normal. Anna, I appropriate. Any day about copper day, winning. That's okay. As long as you are in it, maybe that's the difference. Good.
Mene Honorable Daniel Ochemabuaje, a member of Parliament for Bantama constituency, and then he is the government spokesperson on finance. And I don't know, Edin Komo on Sinopi. I just 0202668464. We screen any numbers. We also live on Facebook. Edafe YouTube Kumewut TV. Emfa seda emfa my God's Way casket shop. Maka cho COVID-19 ba ye no. Ene mu sen krofo bi ho a Nyankopɔn ankasa. Ena omosom no. Adonti wasi unya yi a. Ifadaka no wa no bibre gu ho. Wo de bra. Oma obi na wa ambulance a odu akoyi body ne kwada akofia akosie no. Obema wo video coverage. Wa sama sika de be yi no. Uwie eye ni nyina. Bisika beto bia fa no. Unko bank kwa na akwaji loan ama manso bia abaso. We and a God's Way casket or ye ede aboa Kumase Asafu Labor ho ena omo e won sanifa so akwa assembly ho no e won a God's Way casket shop no e o kese pa a e wa Asafu 0243 737 457 0243 737 457 oso asne me do jumadi no etumi ede abro honorable mamemra na fi ye inshase
sure
the issue of borrowing Adiana Dr. Muhammad Bamia kan wasem pa reckless borrowing ya ba ya mobisia ya bo besia kra na ye de be ya de papa aban ya bo besia sa ye hu de ode aye eye statement na o ta kapa sure mo ba ye ene ya public debt emu bu 273 billion
yeah
mo na majimu dia so pa o mo de aye den
o ma ya ba kwese mo na mbo
mo de aye den
yo edin kai bo se bon komo no sebe se on tiase a wan ha ba kan basa ana mo panyina beje echi his excellency Dr. Alhaji Bamia am send akra ba kasa afa economy ho
yeah
next year ha be see ahwe ye hwene mu antakarmu ha be see next year sorry the friend say uhwe ayi bosia bo amia amia fa principles bintu ho sabe brothers ohu oheni a wako bank so ko bobosia e woni bida obi a oje bosia wonti mintua oko edwum so ko bobosia e ba ma
ye ma so nya no kwafo
unti say adwuma na odi ye no
nti mi kwa
ye ne ya hwe investors no so de ba ma wa tisi wo gidi say one obehwe ni ye two obetimi atua okay nze unso obi je bosia enokra akire wo say ekwan bi su no nipa no na ho akono ntini e de ma no
asa eno no ye se wo ji ade bi papa no
ai na me ba ho
okay
because ndc granya bi pa no ndi si na ho nya akono nti de bia ko bobosia wo wiase dwum a e bobosia na ne interest rate was low
ensi ho no
ehu onya binti no osre no ato MPP ko dwum a ye de bo no NDC die was stress momento bio me ton bond me ka say ko London 2009 budget ye ko release 19 budget ye ko release 3 billion parliament ma ko nya say ko 3 billion euro e ko London one day pay the minister of finance ye ko ye no ye pay 3 billion per amount for Asia America Europe ska mod subscription mod buy no e over 21 billion dollars and we ready some the brother token abandon
wow
na e basa no so a na demand a supply na LCD demand nti ne boy for nti NDC 2014-15 omubo 1 billion bi for 10 years nsa bo say so obo na mu twa the longer the higher the interest or the longer no the higher the risk
okay
say mu twa pia risk no so a utuansi hu bebrebe NDC ko bo bosia bi 2014 or 15 one of them $1 billion for 10 years. Ye demand 9.125%.
Okay.
1 billion, 10 years pay. It is medium term, 10 years. Ye demand 9.125 billion. MPP, Koboru Bosnia, 2018-19 already. 1 billion. For 30 years. 30 years, they demand MPP 7.125.
Branca, no crowd was in Kekonim.
Okay, it is a bien a Kujuma Mano. Now I have now April 2015. Omaka said, "Oh, near my Vesugina, my Sika, my Sika, inflation, Sikan, Ghana second year friend GDP growth rate obadiaka GDP growth rate ha o man second year any foreign exchange ne inflation any debt to GDP ratio no o hwɛ na IMF no ka say because of reckless borrowing no sani money na konkwanchen ekobone they are pointing to the wrong direction
okay
ye ba to me ombe ye assessment ni bi omo by 2018 19 17 18 19 no and near my just show my second na they are pointing to right direction
okay
me be say me church now two different kakwe intira na ma omampanyeko ayi abedi akiri ebu se reckless borrowing because sebe previous ye kokusibo eduje agum ye buja mu nyina na kusi ye etungwa relax crowd no akabo mu ho NDC bobusia na confirm to Kobokina NDC bobusia enkran to me go school for free NDC bobusia na national allowance teacher allowances on timintua NDC bobusia na Ghana sika enim ko ni no se kana na mampanyini ko for the 10 acres na careful no ho a NDC buy no the 3.4 acres na ka ho eh na yedi bi gumi you see your input determines your output yedi be gum the more input na enyi no it is growing at a decreasing rate enyi konachi. But of course they talk about infrastructure. You can talk about markets. I know Mosisi. I know Moye. Schools. I know Mosi. Ebanisana. We are quite. We see school. We are hospital. We to ambulance. They get to eba. Na oman sika semenimko because ni na beka ho be activity, economic activities. Economic activities no koswa. Na mo money paja. Ye see adai. Ye say. Ye build the hospital. Ye say. They call it economic. Manfu nye sikedi consumption. Na e create more money. Aya banse na wo ba wo ye no bebrebe yi na oman sika enyini emuno enyini nkete eno ne ye ka no say your input determines your output. Until all things being equal, logically, if you are speaking to science and data, logically no, if you input more, your output must grow more. NDC input more no, all claiming infrastructure no. Na Ghana nim kwa aye output no, GDP growth no na aye output. Na enyini ko na chia. Enye insanity, aye dambo. Correct MPP die. MPP bobosia. Or restore teacher training allowances. Wasoka ni esiso. Utua 4.6 billion depositors money. Utua mu. Our go so ye NAPCO creating jobs and GDP growth rate is rising. And I say NDC for when they are speaking, they should speak to science and data. So kasa, na Samsung kan, no kan so kasa ye gana, kan say ye gana for nyina ye tiatia na ye nyansa. Kasa sebe ye jimi. Ba so bi so be kasa, omo so be kasa na mabomo. Nti mo de compare omo de no a. E bia nkomo so bo bisia say de mo maboya. Na dey. When ya kwa say ubu mai. Na sem bi kra John Mani mama his excellency o kakra mo so sebe o ye incompetent no. And I say o mabon pa no say. I say Ghana sika ene wa otiwe o de ka 9,000 akufado abobo siasa si eche Ghana kada o de ka 9,000 ochem o de ka 9,000 minua otiai o de ka 9,000 okay ono no penso no 122 billion no emphasize na Ghana for cry be 28 billion million ocha na Ghana for kano NDC person na odi ye be 5,000 tin you ene akufo the pencil se che Ghana car odi ye 9,000 meme the 9,000 yamfa nsa NDC pencil no se che Ghana car odi ye 5,000 or 5,000 plus okay na ye hwe de ne wo odi ka 5,000 yo o man ko school free odi ka 5,000 teacher training allowance o ma be kwa jibi no ne etwem odi ka 5,000 now to sumu fie 9 yesi so pekane a wasi yanso bi emuntwe bi nka prepare to pay more odi ka 5,000 oko banka usika ntimi mfa ma odi ka 5,000 na Ghana ni maguase because Ghana nhihye nyina ehye ha mefase odi ka 5,000 yesi yeton eyi fertilizer for free nso kwa onya bi nto bra Kufuado amampanya Kufuado penso oka na a free 5,000 ako 9,000 ene o de ka 9,000 yare ba kan ya cry de chow o de ka 9,000 ensure free hawum o de ka 9,000 wo fa asimienu miensa ana wunu bi ba enkura makoma 1.2 million eco school free o de ka 9,000 kan ye chim esiso ne chim nkwa wo uchim amana timi esiso o de ka 9,000 o man hihye a de ye o man puntuo a ye sikasem enhye broni hihye ya ase o de ka 9,000 o fa se wie school nya adwumanya okonapko o de ka 9,000 Ghana cedis menu mie no ti ha sei yenim se o man panya Kufuado baaye wo ye one interchange mawa otimi ye 4 for the price of 1 o de ka 9,000 o man panya na wo maaye wo baaye bi sida bantuma kwaye kuma se ayate yi KMA you were 10 before no and this person you were 10 constituency na sha emu munta kankwa na bo munta kankwa na etimi ye kwa ma no on na do mana na se ye kwa ma at least now pass kwa da bi ampa ya fa se on na ye do ma because omu ye ba ko bi wo Chimens Bank to achiro okay ene wo de ka 9,000 and now wo de ka 4,000 no 5,000 no na o constituency ye tan wo Kumasi wo de Kumasi na example ha na etie ni aye bu be 1.5 akwai o ka no 4,000 be ka ho na ya all the 10 constituency me tie me Bantoma and Bantoma High Street ko he ya ho dwuma June last year me obi a member of road committee and finance committee to me huni na in your push akwai no 32 kilometers of roads in Bantoma asphaltic minia na 4,000 na e be kan kan ho ama we de kan 9,000 unuanu mienu ku school a day school kura 4,000 school feeding emu abai kura over 1.5 million and your feeding room etino dey na working enu tin yesi se mun kan se ma mun kan si asamso me fanya toto ho na oprizeni enya arochechire ito mo pani de mo do mani mama de papa no yedim no what we say with all due respect to him no he will go down obako Ghana abakwasem as one of the worst presidents of our time.
Oh so osaba
wait okay yes rekwa mo pani de mani ma it will be a mistake, the biggest mistake I had Ghana besa konachi, biggest ever mistake I betna ye minya ba be yadru no e ha se no nim se me kan we a be se matuko ai ahobrasi mu matuko kan be 41 so far the last time I go Australia ya me kan no ma ya me ko ejuma 1 week 1 week consulting any business ne certain banks especially in African countries die me en de minimum ma Ghana dum pempenso bi akaka krebi ni ayo ma ya e developing
okay
ni free lower level middle income no ya ba middle income to see how we o temi bia se duma bia ukuta bia wuye bia kuma wood amuye nia munsum kase because the demand is going to increase.
Amen.
But ya kono amenia enfama ne bebo enti yenye hu sa bebe obi anja aka no hu sei na enfama no bo a edo akọ. That is where we are. Enti se bi producer o mampanyin kufuo a pension ki jama mampanyin kufuo do a nkene Ghana office be bi atini. And I say infrastructure. And this is for infrastructure. 2008 Kofodia Eastern region. The then a presidential candidate mampanyin John Dramani Mama was say Sankamamu aya dansie ene akwan yie ene school dash ni hospital ni dwomu sin ko ade a enkan ne sabe akra bia betumi aye bi
the work in mediocrity.
Yes, I say it's an exercise in mediocrity. Eye nkradwuma ya ade bia aba bia ba wo ye and now say man hwe so ntonyum fro.
So he was then not the president.
No, but the question is he onya chance be a president. Now be jina aka say na ya afari hospital o man kofo na hase be kwai o man kofo na hase kuma wu o man kofo na hase e de be na ayo kuma
on this kana mba
me say woni record papa bia ho NDC for hu e create loot and share and na say bon no mabon and na say ni mienu right.
Oja mere Honorable Daniel Ochem Abuaje member of parliament Bantama constituency so na finance committee of parliament or member or so a government spokesperson on finance and I don't know edi enkomaje nche no fabra na yen kan from 0202668464 with the baby nyam re na kan kada but dey aba akra or say good evening Sir Mike, Jones Opoku watching you live from Kintampo. In fact, I'm enjoying the discussion. This is a rare communication. Greetings to Honorable Ochem Abuaji. Okay, I know the Abba. I don't know. I say hi. My name is Michael. Watching from Ntotoso. Kindly ask Honorable Ochem Abuaji this for me. What money are they using to finance free SHS? Once he's saying that it's part of the borrowing. Okay, Honorable respond to that. Hi, Sir Mike. I'm enjoying your show. Let Honorable Ochabuaje note this. You should group all communicators and educate them. I'm enjoying your show very well. Okay. Honorable, will be the question of Busano.
Yes.
So, who can we say 5,000 under Mahama?
Yes.
Need to do so.
Yes.
9,000 under Kufuado. You enjoy free senior high school. Senior high school is scary. You say, our penny catch there say, we the free oil. Fund.
Yes, I say free oil, say free busia bomo. From 1992, Ghana sika enso yakoma border. Ntia na ya revenue niswa expenditure ne so. Ntia financing partner friend deficit no. Yakobo busia e dey support. And education is ma bia na afa oil money no. Na question is say you busia bon dey hwe nkura no, say oil money dey hwe nkura no. At the end of the day, nya say nkura no ya hwe wo.
One bigger challenge, amount for a way to. Some of us, yes, we are concerned, and they say, Nana do you be what? What happens to free SHS?
Oh,
because of the source of funding.
The good thing is say, Nana do. That is one. Say a china be munubia MPP because what was on another new no before for never. Ebia the bit me say the Merco Cottage.
Okay.
Right? Because she the teacher. For instance, they say Free Senior High School, and maybe an HCC here. Or could be say Maslock, and Randy HD. I could be to say $1 million consistency here. Yeah, local authority, and Rawachiri. Or could be to say Office of Special Prosecutor, and Rawachiri. And I said, they're gonna for a who education, Minia. So, yeah, Bana, so Bana Betuma. Will be no problem. Now, I mean,
so it means Mahama,
I saw come to my force.
By force, also but was. Let me just say, Wakase,
yes,
in 2015,
yes,
on a launch Free Senior High School. And I'm on by no 2017, or Mocas on the buyer. I'm saying,
Mama, we are consistently inconsistent. Omampany, a good father, a numa, why ye? And now I can cover myself to Abuba. And now Bonatas now to Nangabi.
Oh, sir. Is it not true so unnecessary? Progressive.
48 CDs, that's what they are for. 48 CDs. And no crown, my friend Napo. Napo ni betri ai. When you are 1 CD. Now, no, didn't know free at Chamota or cool school was a northern region. I didn't hear. Northern scholarship.
Oh, but I said, Enra, na Ubitia Case, say a sad dear, and Emersenka, Union Moon free is slim, and Malcolm as a Sebi, and my pauper.
Make us some trouble. Any problem? Yeah. The chassis or 3 northern regions, no president, Nkrumah chassis, then your problem, but may discriminatory. Make school work in Tampo. Okay. Kintampo, that time, no, you know my war, move for new being your work in Tampo now, a Muslim Andalusia. Or more to make me say, or me a northerners. Okay. Now I'm almost scholarship. Maybe fetch Maboko here. But me of Anchema for Eduma, Greek Kintampo, and couple of funny currency. Na because secondary school Kintampo. Maybe me know this scholarship in the name into me for car free Kintampo Bagmase. That time nay 6 hours. If we are number for car a conya he and I'm 93 nya he call Botrampa. A kwaji men and na cocoa certificate and son of cocoa scholarship at the secondary school. Now my penny go for other banos. No, give me more northern region. Or more cost enjoy. Nemo a hiano baby and to be as soon they enjoy your money. Now I shall here. Kabe advert a we ya would tie in yin. O cry the also near 2 billion crop and count from Free Senior High School. And then will be a Juma or Cononti. Upas run 2. Now somebody we sex. And I come run 2. I never yen to me yet. Yen to me yet. Was it? You say, a mamoodiano. A young cross up. And a young sabi sex. And I can say, come run 2. Worry.
Right, I will say Igusu Edin Kobo on Kumawu TV program no Sinupi yane honorable Daniel Ochamabwaje and Edin Kobo. Me try to me ba. Ya be hwe 1 million per constituency. Say sika no. Eba neba ede na omo ede. Now fi the promise na da Akufo Addo sign promise ya na emu dru and they say oba every constituency ebenya a factory. And also I want some
where the party day today? Hey mama, hey I ever say.
Okay, everybody I say TIME Time Herbal. I was so season 2 audition no. Assign a baby put your band. Not the what the 18 years aircraft. Who qualify say I was so audition. Over to me a baby. The here say who was here now be shaky. No what tracky. No one was so now you fair and no kwa any here. So your band not over to my way now. And for what the baby for the chair. Ahojo. ahojo. This week, Time Herbal Awoso Season 2 audition no Baso ewo ahojo Atinga Junction Kumase baby Akumawu TV wana Awos pub ho pepe Time Herbal Awoso Season 2 no yedi audition no eba Saturday ebe ya Baso live yenyina yenhiem wo ho na ampaya ebeja Jumade achedie bebre wom di obedika no yede ni ko Dubai empo sa wo pe Dubai no na sa wo pese ye ni sika de mawa ne ka sika de na bom ne dia ma na se dia do ba na wo dia ye so de beto car na wo dia to so de be si fio so de be ya jubo so de be ya bia na wo dia ye dia beto so mie no ye man 5,000 Ghana cedis and dia beto so mie sa no ono so ye man 3,000 Ghana cedis and achedie bebre and we no na pepe 4 p.m. na contestants nyina are ready. Way aye TIME Time Herbal Awoso Season 2. For number na that screen is no. Ne praise is here 0243 174870 0243 174870. Or say kata Time Awoso no idea to say shake your waist. Time Herbal Awoso shake your waist. Awoso Season 2. Ebeye butu. Sponsored by TIME Time Herbal.
Had a party day today. Hey mama, hey I ever say your body menya kono.
Yes, Kumawood Training Institute and Sanojuma Ahimfie asaka omo ho bio. O say fa na miensa pe fa be sua Sanojuma na fa bo bra. Mentra ho na da bia no enkosre sika ewo obi ho. Wan kasa ye boss. Ye wan kasa waduma na wo so ye mfra boss ni bi. Enu ti na Kumawood TV4 edwene Ghana fo ho eno makofa Kumawood Training Institute Ediaba Sebra Nebesian Sanojuma na emwa yede enam yensen esian Sanojuma bi ti se bees making shampoo conditioner hair pomade with decide the akuafo adi spray omo no bae so no bra Nebesian na emwa CCTV and multi TV installations bioenzymes 3D epoxy biofield digester the friend of Flashia National. Sans and Juma Wenina, Yadi and Nami and Sapper, and the Siwa, Yadi Ebe Church the Munina.
What if you be a wagon by yourself? A bay day crown of Timid Nami and Sapper, Esia and Sanojuma Wenina. Mamma Joe, on Mobile last month, no, on Bedia Dancia say, Ampa, on Timid Nami and Sapper, Esia and Sanojuma Bebre, and Untipaning yourself to Mission. And it is say, for 300 Ghana cedis per, never best Sans and Juma Wenina. So on the 27th and 28th November, a Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and Nami and Sapper, and your dear Siwa, your dear Sans and Duma Wenina. So, French neighbor, baby Obada, free. And to ready, catch the Wunia, no Wunians on country in India. Say Kumawood Training Institute for dear. How much are there? Sabi walk on school though. So go school though, ubeti me as heavy. And to baby I will be any baby I will free beer. But what they say, Obafaka, no Bakumase, Ahojo, Atinga Junction, baby a Kumawood TV4 no, and Wapa Pepe. Press our number now at that screen is no 0244 294066 0244 294066 Kumawood Training Institute was say and Sanojuma Ahimfie Beye
Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu.
Right, I was saying I'm about Ephraim Sinupi on Kumawood TV. You so any finance committee member of parliament. Bantima constituency no butu and I feel so no government spokesperson on finance. Honorable Daniel Ochem Abuaji and I know Iguswa AD and commercial so say time Herbal mixture say ene say open be draw back with me abuawo ma uyare no at 22 and in 3D malaria there we can for Eddie Amapito
na entumi emwa eno so na edi mema sem edi ama wo mo nti nei wonam na ate bema bia no yere bona baso a na ye time edru ba ko a ebo mema pa eno no ebeto ndo Ghana bia no okwa o se mepe time eba mesa ne bi ato to bi na entumi emwa so benya ho den na December 7th akwa kire se mepe wei so me mra se badwani asemasi ana obenten so me omampania na wo so no madupa etumi abo mo nya hoden akoto aba eno nti oda hospital a bomode ya na so free ho kopeta ne binom na entumi emo hoden akoto aba December 7th message samodi aba menkin kan bi emfa emma we say good evening Sir Mike. I'm certain Honorable Ochema Boaji wasn't in Ghana when Nanado was campaigning prior to 2016 presidential elections. Well, then candidate Nanado said there is money in the country. Asked Honorable MP, why is the president borrowing? We usubempa achiase mwabieja ena odi efri odi aba. Was say from Odenehu Isaac Edu inside Bekwai Kone Yao. Good evening, boss. Mahama said Ghanaians have short memory, and I believe it's true. If not, people wouldn't have followed President Mahama upon all the doomsaw, cancellation of Nelson teacher training allowance, poor economic management, high electricity tariffs. Have we forgotten all these things? We bought a plantain sack for 300 cedis at Kajitia market. Oh my God, Ghanaians must wise up. I don't know what the Abba and no. I say, Honorable, please. The question: what? Which money is the government using for free SHS program? I want to know. Eben Kuchi Edi or the Efi or the Abba and no. Please kindly ask Honorable Ochema Boache why he was fighting at the studio. Is it his temperament? Okay, Honorable, respond to this one.
My temperament. Say you man want to me you say incompetence no be can and I say NDC for na question that you cross when ya obi e ho na kon come ni ya ma pon ko so so me enza ni nya na mto na me say I me video obabu me abo be kwa ni ye you afiri ba atre say betra bi ofo I'm sorry na so no we panye mtimi mu ni and no come so ya dada obo no kra but obi well okay na man who say what a media now for please for of course come on or my from Sienka. Oh, you better sign bond. Oh, okay. You can't threaten people like that. Okay. And so, but the only say means through here. Maybe get the body to you. Yaron doesn't go. It's I always have to say you. So it was a free Tescano. Yeah, will be a friend annual budget fund. Oils can even. Okay. At the Mawa, we need my bed 2016 officer the year. Yeah, they must system and share and okay. If move for all this kind of day every year. It is ABF, you know, see, just as can annual budget allocation at the free oil money in the manner, which means GB towards. Oh, okay. That, you know. But, and yet, and budget revenue, maybe from taxes, import duties, BBR, and to the year allocation at the my friends say, education sector be a bit to make a whole. Apart from that, and also, Parliament, Ama, Inia, and Abonapo, the Ministry of Education. $1.5 billion. Wow. $1.5 billion. What Jim James Bay have. Okay. Say on fund developing all the education sector, especially infrastructure. Oh, okay. To obey about 800 different projects all year. Okay. Just so that because I know if we get fund. Okay. To get fund in ban audit, get fund in ban audit, get fund in ban audit. Just so we can clear the double track, you know, from there. Okay. Now infrastructure. Until now, who's a development, you know. They say NDC all counts, infrastructure, education, agric, who the worker. Maybe say a to be honest with you, I would have a kind of harassing. Too greedy. NDC, Mamono, you hear opposition. Now, walk on him watch, minya bi o Boshe ne kai Gambo o se okona ni momo banye Dondoma ni mama okona ni mo na chi ufi assembly member wabaye presiding elder waye MP deputy minister minister vice president president how do you come back and say you want to be a political party presidential candidate? His progress is in his backwards. So free a slow abanachi. Okay. Abanachi, as an cocoy statement. Ya Cassandra Church and what? And yet a full day. I mean, it's so bad. No big can be before you.
Say, this kind of way.
2017 and by Benamini. I was here. Ya kasi kana ogana ha manfu ni amenchire what time ketobia anwene na anwe akanwene say fish omuguni dia na di chum ya na mo look at that's it edi nam ni yina enti Ghana sikana wo man Ghana ha no for the meantime dear esi enye sika bi ne de ye chadwa wa no so ne de koyi nam ne dai eba posiana ye bon that is what it means mama sanchiro ko West Africa hanyina Ghana sika 100 cedis 100 cedis no enya 12 cedis pay free tax income tax no total tax revenue 12% ko Nigeria for sika 100 cedis o musika no tax revenue no 20% ko other West African countries at about 18-19 be that 21. The person can say Ghana sika yenya free tax revenue. Tax revenue e ketuwa bi.
Okay.
Anasa me kama wote fo ati ase no. Ghana nipa maako se CA estimate no at about 30 million. Income tax o mo ye adwuma etua katua ma aban. Nipa 1.5 million per.
I said never was born more.
TDO.
Debia, me catch on about says be say, it doing you almost torn near my Kumasi a pine agro. Almost will be a your tax. The balance of tax to answer ya. Tax to ya. Hey, but to my metro, it's a million why you hear tax no because a year Juma, the baby who you know. Work at your tax no and costro. Okay.
Nemo young now be entry and the yank and na MPP ya de be boss say sasika no to the oba hu say and o make school free they o nursing trade onya allowance teacher onya allowance they o you school o napco aho kire ba esifancio free sisi and ya akwan nyina da ban akwan ne yeye say ko dum pempenso bi no mo panya kufu ado say oh mo kwan na da Kumasi tunkran no the person me je no dual carriage
mama so bobe.
Okay. And I say person ye be foforo. Ye see 111 hospitals. Enti misrawo wo utonkoku. Unye sika krache bank manager. Wo uye medicine, wo je 100 cedis a day. Unye sika obe ko free senior school. Ayi ba ye wonya bi support ya de ba wonya bi. Na ye hia only 1 cedi per e wo ho 1 month. 1 cedi a month. Enti na say national ID no. Nipa do raba. You can no ni ho and then nipa be 16 million through national ID. Ti obi adwuma bia wo yebia obetumi hu kakra we dey unya. Abais mama light. Mama free senior high school. Mama me ya akwai. Me hia mo kakra. Enti yem fansi nipa kra 10 million kwa na etua. 10 million na etua bia ka ho a. Ye na ya wo mu de etua bi ka ho. 10 million na etua bia ka ho a. One city no 10 million a month we didn't have.
I bit me nya.
Times 12. 120 million a year. Now imagine say nipa time ya make almost will be a 20 cities. 120 million a month we didn't have. And apart from say bosia ya bono, nipa nya mu faso free senior high school, school feeding, napco, any allowances no. Aben kakra no. Ye baby afri nipa sankofu ya omatimi gigina ye kakra na so wo tua 10 cedis a month de boa ban say ya woda obeda betua okay mani hu faso ansa no ma na tua right and na say enemu no
okay
enti no mo ka no say say abai wo say wonnim busia nankansa ka busia betua no hoka there's our opportunity say be tax net ni na obi ade ni widows mite kakra obi nye bia fabo waban
you have a few minutes as I'm a copy course no but you share this issue of more promise say 1 million per constituency
yeah
and then another way so say each district another constituency ebenya factory
very good
akoji say
nia promises nyanya na me yo aka na kwe konto bochom ni ya kachi say I be almost 78%. Anya dey akakra be kachi but they can dey ayebi ohu ade aye fe no sa infrastructure for poverty eradication to baba ntoma say ya Prempeh College if we go Prempeh College be 15 minutes na chiri ho nsuo ni ho kokoso akwan ni ho nti memedi ni bi bia ye drains
okay
bia ye police station or Bantama hene echi ho say Bantama High Street be free
1 million no
yes bia ye police station wo tuma man from bia ye drains okọ northern region bia ye dams ama bi ko so bia ye warehouses and dey kaka ho enu bi nya di motor 307 ambulances ma Ghana for before them na 50 nemu be 20 nya adwuma and the NDC for kofa bimra amokofa is only good for trotro so $1 million one constituency no adwuma final infrastructure for poverty eradication and mo media for na betime di dance am because e ka amamu na mo ka ho na mto so for enti monko sa aban chihye na e de kugu aba for kwase no e friend infrastructure e friend delivery tracker.gov.gh
wo kurum eno no baby wo ha factory no ana say project no ebia na Bantama de na akodi ebia suta
we account here errors be error of transposition error of double entry error of this error of it any pan eboshim ebetimi asi but tema yenua jamfie friend say and this for ka say amoko hwe mu no 26 makoma 26 enye no correct and say okay 99.9999% is correct and it's true. It won't be dance here no.
This will be almost be crowd. Come for instance, almost 1 million per constituency no be crowd. Is it possible?
Oh, we mean ka say who be first can insurance. Yeah, MPs no first can insurance.
Oh, okay.
When now one assembly members trance e the projects they hear mo e dey eba.
Okay.
Na ye be aye. Me say Bantama say boys in bobo pa park mark 7 me fix it.
Wow.
Right? We come a bit a bridge me no be da yadwato. And ye me dey fix it. Did the other back up? And ye bro based on your needs. When you come on when you disease for now munya no and I can your friend say factories she say me no cause about 7 to 8 year juma
but mo share boss say 200 and I think 265
at that time we said 254 okay the answer
yeah
districts
na say
obi abenya
dey na say ankoba ne sa
da bi ankoba ne santini saka say enyuma ni nyina yenwie ye perform o ye se fanto yeso ne nkoso nje pa de ba ko ambassador Ghana 40 say NDC fonte 1D1F na say nti omu tia say ne say enya aban na de ba eye promoters o mo person mo business o mo area na identify bibi de ko so aban no
okay PPP
enya PPP okay subsidies to the ko aban ho parliament be sorry last 3 weeks makoma ko be 15 ne buy na 15 ne buy no omo de be about $252 million na be shim o me fa nipa over 35,000 na o ba de unyani de otumi nyani otumi nya tax holiday be 5 years ultra tax otumi machine sa de ba ho ya wave taxes nya dai afri ho se bosia na akoba say 20% aban so fa 10% o da say do you nice de ba enti eno ye private sector driven enya ban na kase mahu ambe yo ha Bantama man fa bia nko no because man fa bia nko na me dwendwen say okay new plan da ho keke da ho kwa onu new plan tete yo o sa no
e for ho no
good enti ya second opportunity a na me obi o ye interested a ada ne nko packaging fufuro na ayi Abaya STC 100 na ba ha wakra Maslock ayi sai friends car we ko focus yi wakra be 100 na ba ada ne nka fa churches ne ma na Bantama ye nye dai ye hihye o da say enti me obi o ye interested a wonu sika kakra no dey ba ni dey kwa ban ho no ma package ya maye na ba ka just because of that no equipment ya mo dey ba bia no ahuzika free na onya that private person no nya maya o kwa e da ho keke
in 2016
yes
me ne the then acting national chairman of the party
Sure.
In your encounter on my show.
Sure.
Freddie Blake. And say Enzima that I was at Enzima. Yeah. And we say Enzima had in a one day to one factory. Also you could be waha.
Yes.
You could be waha, you could be factories near. But as we speak, even
you hear ASL Obia or interested in processing
that
could be that area. Okay. And as a businessman be free be or you interested on. No one need to propose and call that 1D1F secretary.
So maybe I have an tum. Yamrano say Yakasana Mena we pa 0202668461 0202668462. Mene Honorable Daniel Ochem Abuaje Bantima MP and Finance Committee Parliament and okwa ban mu a sikasem no wacheche mu pa musa wase musa with me friend obi say may God bless Nana for what he has done for Ghanaians. He has already won the elections. Tewia the aba and no Eben from Kotwi. I don't know the reason why NPP are asking parents are in support with free SHS. Message me nyano clear into Mr. Sign for brave you. Good evening, Sir Mike. I'm enjoying Honorable Ochem Abuaje. Please tell him he has a good future in the party. Nana Mriku Takrade. Okay, Nana dear. Maybe I'm gonna 0202 668461 0202 668462. Oba mwa ebefa. Oba na lower the volume of your TV set. Na yatonka. Ya din komo on borrowing. And the Honorable say enkanene kra na wo de ka 5,000 na enei wo de ka 9,000 difference na say wo ba ko school free ba kra nko bi say me ba bia nko bi a wo fa ase bia na wo nua bi akobi eye san so kra sorry awu mu no na nka bi anka sorry for mu say wo de wo no okay yam komra. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Uri free
okay, you are man
Sunyane. Okay, yentio Papa Yentio. Hello. Mete wan ka also fresh Sunyane Yentio.
Hello.
Hello, good evening. We are free.
I don't your preference is
Christia Yentio.
Papa too. Mr. Honorable said I mama ni duka kiero how please you take it and I'm at the Ghana economy no because mama ni normal oye na no e discard e dey back for mu say mo mo say what of this we ya che adepo tom do tenade e dey aye go ya tem na tira efetika the hospital to see efetika so keti ya efetika and you export as far as oye na efetika it is there fan mo do mo say an am dey on track but mama kiba no and I Ghana
any question you for you from so ma uti bolo ne confirm. Hello, good evening. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, Nami Adubako. Atobu Yentio.
But honorable,
what did you say? Okay. Yes, so yeah, that's it. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Good evening, free. Okay, Yentio.
But we check program is na mchao na bochema kwa jina ba na NDC form ene se de omani abre no enye hwia omo omani abre ni na ene ama me pape se ye tipeti ene se wo muti ene dia ene esi omonsa enti emunye bewuya ene ne dia na jama oni constitution ejo titwe wonye aduma na nyame abemi inshallah na mabeni hands down. I'm almost
okay. Okay. Hello, good evening. Bring your friend free. Konongo. Okay. Mana so akra mai why?
Ona wo ma wa je. Mama ku se ni doctor wo ni yo pa bo pa. For ni show sai program ne ba na nyawo da bo pa.
Okay. Yes, you that's it. Yemre na yemre. Enti yeva prefonisia. Madam, yeva prefonisia na honorable.
So much.
I'm for to us. I'm for Boa Bash.
Yeah, you want to be that me don't mean asset if we say. No.
What's the name of Matthias?
Yeah.
No. And this cut across the country. We from Accra. Takrade and Konongo Nadawi. But no being so can say what's basically I'm about to do. Yes, sorry, then I
did you try say Bosiano ye bono a bar adwene da ho.
Okay.
And you're reckless. And you're this for the Nibia, who ban and confirm to Nessica in your Konechi. And you Nubia. Na Osha NDC for the many because of Mossi Terminatre.
Yeah. A discover. Any
problem. But NDC is take or pay. Take or pay.
Okay.
Terminate three buy. That be I. Of course, she said take or pay my area. I had to second Kabia dear con Kawananchua. How? Take or pay no. Menomino, it tria over $500 million a year.
Oh, okay.
In waste capacity we don't need.
But I be a man so sabran so come away.
Nade. Incompetence. You hear 3,000, 2,700. I got to 5,000. Sabi nka yo company ka say oh, company for me to free mo. Misremo. Me here 2007, but some obenya sekanti. Enya 3,000. I know there a take or pay. Never there bro so 2,000 there a use and pay. Why yen sir? Why you now boom take or pay? And to the use no. E ho ka afibia so far for 3 years no. Up to 2019 no. Yeah, 12 billion Ghana cedis.
Wow.
Over $500 million a year. Facing ayi bank egu ye. And this is for you to say no makoko ne kodi. Cause say bank basa bubo bosia manage economy no. Milu nipa 4.6 million na ye tuo mo kasika ma no. Ya boka 21.6 billion. And other legacy. Okay, can you now buma? You fan say free senior high school yeah, bear 2 billion a year. I'm fan sir. NDC come here and some mechanic. I could bear almost 44 billion. 44 billion. I had to look at you. And could me a shame crumb out from about 20 years. Free senior high school free for 20 years. Paid for.
Okay.
But NDC's incompetence, you know, we are paying for it.
Okay.
And the NDC for the year, the more they stay, me say, so with some now who say MPP for ya by for NDC with some nakasa. Me say, what the everyone say, if you be a mensa woo,
yes,
okay, if you be a mensa woo, and to say MPP for ya by for wizard, say time with some nakasa kasano, and no NDC for. Or by Coher John 1010. NDC for Johannes Sempa, a third Chamudun.
That's a day.
Or say, Ubi by Sabi Oben some, or by say Ubekum Ubia. Now I say, Naya Yameno, I'm people for Yame, by a basse, Ghana for Benya, no Menano in abundance. Father to wonder.
Right, Daniel Ochamawaji, Honorable, a member of Parliament, Bantama constituency, and Motinica Chakujo. The presidential message by Sanson Masawudu, Odia by Opike Goso, Odia by Emilia Aswas, Odia by Sami Boache, Asamakesi, also a message by Naomi Nkrumah, Kintampo, Odia by Nafi Docas, also Odia by.
There's something simple. Say, Mike, 4 more for Nana. 4 more for Nana to do more forever.
Okay.
And you may be here, and then Coupon Nakoto number 1. Into Yankopo do December 7 Udra. Mopenya Kufado number 1 and some baby and her baby number 1 of bam na MPC akanyina parliament candidate 1 yeko yeduma
right
amagana akona nim
honorable dana chama boaje ofata ene ta fe pa bantwa de odu a ofata pa ene e fre no government spokesperson on finance ɛna yɛne no ɛnya nkita ho ɛna ɛdi nkɔmmɔ ha ne mmerɛma kwan de asi medin ɛde Michael Nana Adomako sɛ Mike Bernard Ate ɛyɛ me producer DOP ɛyɛ Kobe Frank PM Ochi Nozo the one MCR ɛna VTR nso Augustina ɛna afei Loretta executive producer Sam Dakus director Samuel Kwabena Dako nyame yɛ adom no dodom yɛ wɔkyena 4 to 6 p.m. yɛbɛhyia na yɛsi ne pi yɛakram
well awolpia obusia yɛ sɛ yɛfiri mu mo ayɛ dedendene nti mesrɛ wo a wina fa kɔkɔ hwehwɛ na sɛ deɛ wawo no tua wo fa sɛ no mo ayɛ dena ma me nti wo deɛ wina na wo yere na mfa nkɔnkɔyɛ di dwuma no ma me wae
abusa yɛnkɔ no kumase
monkɔ no kumase
Martin Luther. Oh, it's been a long time.